Ahora continuamos con la página número 51. Los pronombres de objeto directo e indirecto juntos. Esta vez están juntos, together. How do we do this? Here, normally, as I said, we're going to place the indirect object pronoun first. Then goes the direct object pronoun. Okay, vamos a ver. This is what I said in the first bullet. ¿Me compraste las entradas para el teatro? Me, indirect object, to me, compraste, you bought, no? Did you buy the theater tickets? Did you buy me the theater tickets? Me is the indirect object that goes first. Compraste, the verb, las entradas para el teatro, direct object. In other words, how do you summarize or replace the direct object? Just by using the pronoun, las entradas. Las entradas, plural, feminine, and is object. So we're going to use las. Me las compraste. Me las compraste. Did you buy them for me? Bien, normally, as I said, indirect object pronoun first, then the direct object pronoun, and then we have the extra information. In this case, the verb. When both object pronouns are in the third person, the direct object pronoun le and les becomes se. Bien, por ejemplo, les compré regalos a las niñas. Here we have les and we have los. Los. We're supposed to have les and los because of regalos. Bien, I bought them for them. But what happens when we have two L's? L from les and L from los. The first L, which belongs to the indirect object pronoun, becomes S. And we make it se. No ses, but se. So the final version would be se los compré. Se los compré. Okay? Don't forget this rule es muy importante. Ahora aquí, placement. Before the verb, we have this situation. Indirect object pronoun, the direct object pronoun plus verbo. Bien, vamos a ver un ejemplo. Conjugated verbs, the pronouns are placed together before the conjugated verbs. Por ejemplo, las llaves, te las doy mañana. Te, indirect object pronoun. Las, direct object pronoun, doy mañana. Doy, verb. Mañana, extra information. Bien, the keys, I'll give them to you tomorrow. Okay, now, when we talk about negative commands, the pronouns are placed together before negative commands. Let's take a look. No, no, se las presten otra vez. Se, indirect object pronoun, las, direct object pronoun, presten otra vez. Presten verb. Don't lend them to him again. Bien, same situation, indirect object pronoun first, direct object pronoun later, after that. After and attached to the verb, verbo plus direct, indirect object pronoun plus direct object pronoun. Affirmative commands. The pronouns must be placed at the end of and attached to affirmative commands. Let's take a look. Explícamelo en español. Explícamelo en español. Explain it to me in Spanish. Pronouns must be attached at the end of affirmative commands. Explica. Explica means explain. It to me. Melo. Attached to the end of this command. Explícamelo. Indirect and direct. Always indirect and direct. Bien. But in this case, it becomes one long word. Vamos a ver otra aquí. Before and after the verb. Before or after the verb. If there is a verb group including an infinitive or a present participle, the pronouns can precede the conjugated verb or be attached to the end of the non-conjugated verb. I know too many rules, I understand, but don't worry, we're going to do step by step. Bien, estoy buscándoselo because we have two verbs, estoy and buscando. We have two words here, one, and this is present participle. How do you know? Ando and yendo, remember? Estoy buscando. This is two verbs. So we have two possibilities. Either we attach it to the second verb, se lo, or we place it at the beginning separate. Se lo estoy buscando. I am looking for it for him. Bien. Another possibility, puedes comprar. Another, again, two verbs. Puedes comprar. Two verbs, we have two possibilities. Me lo becomes one word. Puedes comprármelo, or we move them to the beginning as separate. Me lo puedes comprar. Me lo puedes comprar. Can you buy it for me? And another situation. Vamos a enviártelas. Telas. They forgot to make it green and red here. But here, te las, te indirect object pronoun, las direct object pronoun. Or we move them at the beginning. Te las vamos a enviar. Vamos a, going to. Bien, we're going to send them to you. Okay. This is a really good review for from Spanish 102. Hopefully it helps, and see you in the next video. Thank you.